Bharti and Walmart have decided to discontinue the retail arrangement that they had over the past couple of years. There's been quite a bit of toing and froing over the past few months over this. Sunil Mittal talking about the fact that the ball really lies in Walmart's court. Walmart, in an exclusive interview to us a few days ago, said discussions are still going on. There have been continuation. There have been issues regarding what the government rules were said, specifically with respect to the 30% sourcing norm. Tanvi is standing by to tell us what this means for the Bharti-Walmart joint venture and whether this is officially off now. Tanvi.
It is officially off, Harsha. We've just got a statement from the two companies saying that they have reached an agreement to independently own and run separate business formats in India and to discontinue their franchise agreement in the retail business. Now remember, Walmart has cash and carry operations here, which was a separate business, and then they had another partnership with Bharti for the front-end stores where Walmart was giving them the back-end support. Now the statement really says here is that Walmart will acquire Bharti's stake in Bharti Walmart Private Limited, which is a JV between two, giving Walmart 100% ownership of Best Price Modern wholesale cash and carry business. So Walmart is going to own the wholesale cash and carry business, and they will continue to operate in India independently when it comes to that business. As part of the proposed transactions, Bharti will acquire the CCDs, or the compulsory convertible debentures, which were held by Walmart in the Cedar Support Services. Now this is going to be a sticky wicket, Harsha, because this is an extremely controversial topic, which is where you have your government also looking into it. You have your enforcement directorate looking into it. We had an entire inquiry which took place in terms of this these CCDs that were issued to Walmart in Cedar Support Services, which is a company which is controlled by Bharti. The point of contention there was, is this a retail company or not? And if it is, then how did Walmart really invest into this in the first place? So while they have now decided to go their separate ways, and Bharti will continue to operate your front-end stores, which are Easy Day, that will be Bharti's business. Walmart's business is going to be the cash and carry business. So now we need to wait and watch to see if they are going to come into multi-brand retail with any other partner, if they are holding talks. I remember 2 years ago, or rather 3 years ago, there were conversations that Walmart was having with other players in India. This is just when FDI was beginning to being discussed with the government, Harsha, and at that point of time Walmart had said that if given an opportunity, they may look at partnerships with any other retailer in the country. But now it's final. Bharti and Walmart are going their own ways, but we have to keep in mind there are investigations that are being conducted by the government.